I'll get started by cutting 3 pieces at 12.5 inches. Next, I'll measure the front tire of the bike, and this is a 2.8 tire, so just under 3 inches. The centerpiece needs to be a little smaller than the tire, so I'll rip it at 2 5/8, a little heavy. You do want a good friction fit, but at the same time, you don't want it to be too tight. After ripping the centerpiece, I'll move the fence over and rip the 2 sides at 6 inches. Measuring from the back, I'll make a mark at 5 inches, and then pulling from the side, I'll make a mark in the center at 6 1/4. With the 2 sides clamped together, I'll drill a 1/2 inch hole through both sides. The 1/2 inch dowel is going to be too tight of a fit, so I'll have to sand it down a little to make it smaller. Before I attach the sides, I'll pre-drill and countersink holes in the centerpiece to mount the hanger. Now I can clamp the sides in position. I'll make sure that I'm flush at the back and the sides, and pre-drill and countersink holes to attach the sides with 1 3/4 inch screws. Next, I'll slide the wheel into the hanger and back the bicycle up to the wall. I'll take a measurement from the wall to the bottom of the hanger and then transfer that measurement on the wall. I'll attach the hanger with 1 screw at the top and then make sure it's level and drive the screw at the bottom. I'll wheel the bicycle over to the hanger and push the front wheel in. The friction fit will hold the bicycle in position, and then I can walk around and lock it in place with the 1/2 inch dowel. Okay, well, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. It's a really nice low profile design, and one of the things I didn't want to have to do is lift the bike, because this is a pedal assist mountain bike and it's pretty heavy. It's 56 pounds. So the idea of just being able to pull a wheelie or pop it up on its back wheel, push it into the hanger, and then put the safety pin in place. So I'm sure some people are wondering, well, what happens if you get a flat tire or if the air goes out of the tire? Well, I let the air out of the tire as a test, and it works perfectly. The bike kind of leans back, the rim hits the 1/2 inch dowel, and it's nice, safe, and sound. So really happy with this design. I think the bike looks good in the shop here with this little bike corner. And yeah, I think this is good. I like the fact that it's only 6 inches off of the wall. So I haven't seen a design like this. There's probably something like this out there, but really happy with this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. One thing I forgot to mention is I did use a hand plane to ease the edges on the inside. And if you're going to build something like this, you might want to do this before you assemble the hanger. And you could also use a router to just add a small chamfer or a roundover. And here's the test to make sure the bike didn't fall if the tire deflates.